I can't find the house keys. Can't find the house keys.
James, please tell me you're joking.
Dad, I see them.
Oh no. You left them inside.
Our keys.
We are locked out. I am back.
We have almost no milk left.
And we need more eggs. Where is the ice cream?
We don't have any.
Can we get some?
Maybe.
Yes!
I said maybe.
Maybe yes.
Come on, let's go before the store gets busy.
Daddy, help me.
Sure.
James, do you have your keys?
Yes, they are in my pocket.
Check before we leave.
Don't worry, I've got them.
Come on! I want to push.
Okay, but stay with me.
It is heavy.
Let's do it together.
First, we need milk and eggs. Milk, eggs, yogurt, cheese.
That is a lot.
We still have more to get.
Mom, can we get some apples?
Sure, pick some good ones. Bananas, oranges, strawberries.
Carrot, broccoli, tomatoes, potatoes.
We have a lot of food.
We have a hungry family.
Cookies!
Luke, stay with us.
Can we get these?
All right, 1 pack.
Yay!
Are those on the list?
Luke got cookies.
Luke is 4.
Nice try, Dad.
Nobody is on my side today.
Ice cream!
Luke, don't run.
Sorry, Mommy. Can we get ice cream?
Okay. Choose 1 small box.
Chocolate!
Here you go.
Thank you, Daddy.
Do you need any bags? No, thank you. We brought our own. You are all set. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too.
Mom, it's starting to rain.
Let's get everything into the car. Let's get the cold food inside first.
That is strange.
What is wrong?
I can't find my keys.
I told you to check before we left.
I thought they were in my pocket.
Maybe they are in one of the bags.
I'll help look. Wait. Dad! I see them!
Oh no.
Oh no,
Our keys!
I left them inside. We are locked out.
Wait. Grandma has our spare key.
Call Grandma!
You are right.
Hello?
Hi, Mom. I have a little problem.
What happened?
I left my keys inside, and we are locked out.
Oh, James.
Do you still have our spare key?
Yes, I do.
Could you bring it over?
Of course. I can be there in about 30 minutes.
Thank you, Mom.
I'll see you soon. We should keep the cold food together.
I hope the food stays cold.
It should be okay for a little while.
Where is Grandma?
She is coming.
I see her! Grandma!
Hello, everyone. You've been waiting out here with all your groceries?
Yes. Luckily, the porch kept us dry.
And somebody forgot his keys?
That would be me.
Good thing I kept this.
Very good thing.
Yay!
There you are.
They were waiting for you.
Very funny.
Can I have one?
After we finish putting everything away.
Okay.
I think these need a proper place.
Let's keep them here.
Now you won't forget.
I hope not. Have you ever locked yourself out of your house?
Tell us what happened in the comments.
And remember to check your keys before you leave.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.